cheese, cheddar cheese omelet, cast iron. Just put a little olive oil on the pan. Spread that out. Do a better job on that. You run the camera. I pour the eggs on there. And we'll see how it goes. All right, while that pan warms up, I have it going to about medium. Grated some cheddar cheese. And then we're gonna pour the eggs on once it gets hot enough. All right, we got our ham, cheese, and eggs and everything ready. We're gonna, think it's warm enough. Sounds warm enough. Let that spill out a little bit. Do this on camera. Try to get it rolled around. That's probably good enough, but as you can see, it's already starting to set up. So I think I'll let it go a little bit more. When I come back, I'll have the ham and cheese laid on it. All right, so I put the ham and the cheese on it. Just let it get firmed up here. And then it'll be time to flip it. Well, it didn't come out perfect. I could use a little bit more oil and I could have let it heat up a little bit more, but not bad. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll show you a quick little video of how I clean the pan after this. Just a simple wash and re-oil. Simple little scrub and rinse. Dry it off with a paper towel. Reapply some olive oil back on it, and I'm gonna be ready to store again. All right, it's been washed and dried. Just a little bit of olive oil, some paper towel. Use the little rubber thing again too. Just get it greased back up again. It's ready to go back in storage. The handles too, and the edge. I'll get a little bit better when I get off camera. Just make sure it's all coated. That's pretty good too though. Hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy.